Why code comments matter.
Code comments help others and your future self understand what your code is doing and why. Well-written comments make complex logic easier to follow, speed up troubleshooting, and support teamwork. Clear comments also make maintaining and improving code much more manageable over time. Learning to write effective comments is an essential skill for every programmer, at any level.
Be clear and concise.
The best comments are brief but informative. Explain what the code does, but avoid restating obvious details. Focus on the intent behind complex logic, design decisions, or potential pitfalls. A helpful comment might clarify why a specific approach was chosen, mention edge cases, or note any trade-offs. Avoid unnecessary words to keep comments focused and easy to read.
Comment what's necessary.
Not every line of code needs a comment. Prioritize sections that are non-obvious, tricky, or critical. Document functions, classes, and algorithms that may be confusing. Highlight assumptions or limitations, and explain workarounds or code that looks odd for a good reason. Skip commenting code that's self-explanatory. Instead, aim for clarity in both code and comments.
Use consistent style.
Consistency makes comments easier to scan and understand. Follow your project's commenting conventions, whether it's for inline notes, block headers, function documentation, or to-do reminders. Use proper grammar, punctuation, and formatting for readability. If your project uses structured documentation like docstrings or JavaDoc, stick to those standards for clarity across the codebase.
Keep comments updated.
Outdated comments are confusing and misleading. Whenever you update your code, review and revise comments too. Remove notes that are no longer relevant and ensure any changes in logic are reflected. Good maintenance preserves trust in your documentation and helps everyone stay on the same page as your project evolves.
Final tips for great comments.
Write comments for people, not just computers. Avoid repetition, steer clear of jargon unless necessary, and remember your audience might not be experts. The true purpose of code comments is to foster understanding, so always aim for clarity and relevance. By practicing these habits, you'll boost the readability and maintainability of any code you write.